Hello guys, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? There's so many people just circling around me, what the heck? Okay, anyways, today we're gonna be playing Animal hold on, I forgot, whatever. Start now, and let's go. I have never played this in my whole entire life. I don't know what. It just came out, didn't it? Get your sanity up. Your sanity is important. If it reaches 0, you die. Oh my god. My name is Ruby Whiskers. I have an appointment. Okay. Stand one. Let me see it. Photo. Let me see. Wait, what the? Okay. I got room 1. Okay. Sounds good to me. We're here. Oh my god. Okay. You come to me because you have a stomachache. You come to me because you have a stomachache. Whatever. Wait, what is the herbs? Okay. Herbs. I'm getting tired of reading. Shut up, boy. Talk. Okay. I got room 2. Who cares? Come on. Hurry up. This is the thing. We trust our professionals. Stay healthy, stay safe. Get in the bed. How did that hurt? Dry eyes. Now this isn't a thing that you should come to us for. You don't have eye drops at your own house. The doctor is arriving? Okay. Wait, who's the doctor? The doctor from Poppy Playtime? I'm Dr. Harlow. Some advice, if things get strange, just keep working. Bro, that's not advice. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras. Oh, what was that? Use shutters to animal deaths. 0. Okay, that was excellent. Let's go. Service. leave. I don't care. Okay, let me open back up. What is this guy doing? Well, how do I get rid of this guy? How do I... What's happening? Wait. Wait. Ask to leave. 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 What just happened? Get off of my window. I need some coffee. Oh yeah, this tastes good. I got room 1. Okay. You don't have to tell me because I take you to your room. Do you have rashes? It looks like you do. I know how to take care of the bed person, the bed one, the under the bed one. It just has maple syrup. Don't. I don't want to look up. I want to see what it is. The heck was that? Okay, anyways, let me go back into room. Headache. Why do you need it? Why do you have a headache? Medicine. Okay. Why do you come to me if you have a headache? Let's go. Oh, shoot. Absolutely. Yes? Don't mind that. Yes, I barely know how to edit. I don't have the right editing. Excuse me. I just yawned. Okay. That's great. Bro, why are you still here? How do I get rid of this guy? Do you need some eye drops? Because I can't give it to you. Whatever. What else? What you need? Oh, this guy's still here. Bro, how? Flu and fever, cough syrup, and a thermometer. Cough syrup, thermometer. Here we go. And I still have this eye drop. How do I go? I gave this to the guy. Oh my god. Bro, does he need that? What does this guy need? The heck? What the heck is this? What is this? What is happening? What is happening? How do I get? Oh my god, I'm dead. Let me just close this door. I can't get out! Oh no, close. I'm away. No, 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 I don't care. I'm gone. I'm gone. Wait. Well, that blue person scared me. Okay, who cares? Bro, I don't want that to be a bed monster. Bro, this guy's still in here. Thank you, Lord. Took him like an hour to get out of here. Excuse me. Medikit and cough syrup. What's this? No access. Okay, it's not there. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. What is this? Bro, how do I do this? Okay. I have an appointment. I know. Why did you come here? Why did you come here then? Why else would you come here? To have fun? No. That's not why you come to the hospital. You come to the hospital for life to be boring. Patient on fire. This patient is on fire. This patient's on fire. Where's the patient at? Where is the patient at? How is the patient on fire? Oh, okay. Oh. I need to get some ointment. Okay. Oh my god, how are you on fire? I have other things to do, you know. You were just on fire. You apply the ointment onto the burns. I have too much stuff to do. 1 second, I'll be right back. Now I see. Okay. I have a question. Can you quit more than 6 stuff in here? How much stuff can you equip? Okay, go. Anyways, maple syrup ointment in this. So thermometer, maple syrup, and ointment. Okay. Dang it! Boom. I need. I answered my own question now. Bro, if you start. Are you supposed to look like this? Okay, it might. I'm going to do it. I want to see some. I feel like I can do that. There's already somebody in room 3. There's already somebody in room 3. You're not going to room 3. You're not going to room 3. There's already somebody in room 3. There's already somebody in room 3. What is he doing? I'm scared. He might jump scare me. Herbs. That's all he needs. Okay. Well, I got some herbs right here. Get in the bed. I don't like who you are, though. What is this guy doing? I don't like that. Yeah, I know I don't like that. I need more sanity. No, I'm scared the bed monster might come. In the bed. I guess you're alone. Are you in the Yeah, whatever. Get in the bed, bro. Don't I just get a glitch? All cams operational. Oh, what is this guy just sitting at my... Okay, I just need to check. Okay. What does he need? What does he need? else you need? Garbage can. Oh. Okay. Don't look up, dang it. Oh. It's got eye marks. I'm forced to see. I don't want to lose sanity. Oh, I almost looked up. I did the wrong thing. Wait, what does he need? Medicine. Oh. Coming right up. Okay, stop ringing the dang bell. I know what to look up. Oh, heck no. Rejecting you. No service. I'm leaving. Come back to me. Oh. I'm Max Fujita. What? I want to check in as a patient. Okay. Also, I'm not going to be able to make videos for like 4 days because I'm going to be out of town. I'm going to be in Mexico. I got 1, 2. Okay. I don't like that. This place does too. Trust me, but I work. The name's Ron. I'm accounting. Blah blah blah. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Never mind. I don't know how I could hear him from a closed door. I am far away from. Well, go to a doctor or something, or a hospital. Officer. Good for you. Bro, why does all of a sudden no one want eye drops? Because I still have this in my inventory. Go away now. Is Ron still there? Oh, not again. Uh-oh. I think I know what I have to get. The fire extinguisher. This doesn't work. It doesn't work. What do we do? What do I do? He died. How do I use this? How do I do this? Bro, how do you? You're a doctor. You work here. You just do it yourself. I think you work here. I'm not sure. But that's not my problem. Bro, I need chocolate. I can't buy it. I don't have Robux. Ah, brewing. Are your eyes dried? 7. already used to. Wait, what the? What is this? You have room 7? What do you need? What do you need? Bro, this is too much stuff for me to do. Oh my god. No, I'm supposed to press this. Hey, I'm kind of good at this. Let's go. I accidentally pressed the die one time, but that don't matter. Okay. Bro, this is too much. What does this even say? Bleeding? Oh, shoot. Bro, no, I can't do that. Headache? How do I... Oh, my God. I don't know anything. Ointment and bandages, okay. Bro, if the bed monster just shows up right when I'm standing next to the bed, I will actually just literally just I'm killing my patient. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. Arrive already. I don't wanna be gone. I wanna be gone. Some patients may seem unstable. Make sure you have a camera. Stay alert. Oh wait, I forgot to use the cameras. I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Wait, what the? A fire started. A fire. A fire started. Roommate. Okay. Coming. No, stop. Okay. Nobody today. Boy. What the heck? Okay, I'm done with this game. Goodbye. I'm done with this game.